Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add text on your videos in Canva. So once you have a video on your timeline, if you want to add a text over it, just look on the left side and you'll find text. Click on that. Now, I recommend that you start by choosing a basic text. For example, a default text style. You can click on it. You also have some other text, like captions and so forth. You can use that if this is what you're looking for. And of course, you have other style of text that you can scroll down and you can see those different kind of font combinations and stuff that you can use. So if this is what you're looking for, you can also just go ahead and just click one of these and you'll be able to use them, right? So for example, if I wanted to use rock, I can click on it and you can see that it's there, right? And you can go ahead and add, for example, this. The text is fully customizable, and so you can always basically change this. So, for example, you don't want to say rock, you can just say the hills, for example, the hills, right? You can go ahead and just put whatever in it and you can just resize it. So, it's up to you, whichever one you want. If you want to work with a basic text, then change your font style, or you want to use one of these different options that you have here, right? You can always click on them and choose them. So this is it. So I'm going to show you how to add, for example, the basic one here as well. You click on that and you can just write, for example, let me just type something here that could make sense. The hills, right? And so you can change the font right here by looking for a font and just select a font that you want to use. Let's say we want to use this one. We can do that. We can resize it, we can move it around, center it wherever we want, right? You can even change the color of the text as well. So let's say you want to use, let's use maybe this, right? So you can go ahead and ensure that you select it. Ensure that you highlight the text as well when you want to change the color, because this is going to ensure that the text actually change depending on whatever. So you can see, that the text change, and you can even go ahead and make the text transparent if you want to. So let's say I want to put it here and I want to make it a little bit transparent. I can click on transparency and reduce it. And as you can see, it is reducing, right? So you can easily do that. And so, and I want to show you something more cool. If you want to make it animated as well, not just like that, you can go ahead and you can click on animation and you can choose an animation that you want, right? So you can basically choose it how you want, something like that. And you can have the intensity and all this stuff. And when you add your text to your videos, you want to also ensure that you adjust it. So by default, it's going to just go to a default of 5 seconds or something like that, but you may not want it to be so long. And so you want to look on your timeline and just adjust it like this. And that's it. So when you go ahead and play your text on your video, it's going to look something like that. And so that's it, guys. So that's how you can easily add text on your videos in Canva.